Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to read another poem from your textbook NCERT English Honeycomb, and the title of the poem is Trees. But before that, let's take a few minutes to tell one another the names of trees that you know or have heard of. Mention the things trees give us. Then read this poem about trees. Okay, we can name some of them like mango tree, banyan tree, fig tree, pine tree, like that. And what are the things trees give us? There are so many things they give us, like fruits, shade, leaves, woods for furniture and houses, peppers, so many things. Let's read the poem. Trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Trees are to make trees houses in. Trees are to swings on. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool set in summer. Trees are to make no set in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees make mothers say, "What a lovely picture to paint." Trees make fathers say, "What a lot of lips to wreck this fault." Written by Shirley Bauer. Let's read the poem again. You see, every line is beginning with the word trees. Trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Trees are to make tree houses in. Trees are to swings on. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool set in summer. Trees are to make no set in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees make mothers say, "What a lovely picture to paint." Trees make fathers say, "What a lot of lips to wreck this fault." Shirley Bauer. Let's check the exercises. Working with the poem. This will help us understand the poem. What are the games or human activities which use trees or in which trees also participate? Let's see what are those games or human activities. Trees participate in the activities like swinging, hide and seek, bird watching, climbing, etc. You can add on. Question number 2, Roman number 1. Trees are to make no set in winter. What does this mean? Contrast this line with the line immediately before it. Okay. Trees do not obstruct the sun's rays in winters as there are no leaves in them. This allows free flow of light and warmth, whereas in summers, trees provide cool shade due to the presence of leaves in them. Reminder number 2. Trees are for apples to grow on or pears. Do you agree that one purpose of a tree is to have fruit on it, or do you think this line is humorous? Students should give it a thought on it, but personally, I agree that one of the many purposes of a tree is to have fruits on it. It's a very important purpose by nature. Question number 3. With the help of your partner, try to rewrite some lines in the poem or add new ones of your own as in the following examples. You have been given an example. Trees are for birds to build nest in. Trees are for people to sit under. You can add like trees are for snow to paint them white, especially in winter. Trees are for children to scale their height. Now try to compose a similar poem about water or air, because they are also important elements of life. Let's check the box. What are mangrove forests? Mangrove is the name commonly used for varieties of shrubs or trees growing in muddy swamps of tropical coast and estuaries. Mangroves produce tangled roots that grow above the ground. They produce new trunks and thus rapidly form a dense growth. Mangrove timber is impervious to water and is resistant to marine worms. Okay, let's check out the poem again. Let me summarize it for you. This poem is written by Shirley Bauer. This poem, Trees, talks about trees as a great blessing. Trees are a shelter for birds and a place to play under for children. Children enjoy swinging on them. They make tree houses in them and play hide and seek. And they use trees to hide behind during their play. People enjoy tea parties in their set. Kites are sometimes caught in the branches of the trees. Winds blow through trees, making beautiful sounds. Trees also give cool shade in summer. In winter, their leaves set and let the sunshine pass through. Since there is no leaves on the branches, the sunshine can pass through easily. Fruits like apples and pears also come from trees, and many more. We get timber from them for building houses and making furniture. Students should know that papers are also made from trees. Trees present a beautiful scene. Mothers make paintings of such scenes, while fathers grieve about the fallen leaves that need to be cleared during autumn. So trees play an important role in our life. Trees and plants also give us oxygen. They purify the air we breathe. So they are very important for our life. Suppose if there is no tree or plants on the earth, it would not be possible for the animals and we human beings to survive. Trees also play an important role in climate. So cutting down of trees in large scale, that is called deforestation. It affects the climate change. So nowadays, children are also advised to plant a tree once in a while wherever there is suitable place for a tree to grow in order to change the rapid degrading or harmful climate change. In fact, trees are an indispensable part of our life.